Hey, gals and guys, it's Chris Mosier from MyMediaHelper.com, and I'm here with another short tip video for you. And I just take it sometimes, I take advantage, I guess, of things, easy things that I think that people would know and don't necessarily know. So sometimes I get surprised to the questions that I get, and one of them is, how do you update your plugins in your WordPress? So I just take advantage to the fact that everyone would know that. It's very simple to do that. And believe it or not, this was a question that I was asked. So I'm just going to log into this site. I haven't been in this site in a long time, and I'll show you exactly what it is. This is actually my, it's a dog store. It's a drop shipping website. I don't really use it. It's a site that I really need to work on along with the rest of my sites. But I'm kind of in the infancy of doing all this. So I'll get there at some point. So here's the website itself. You always want to back up your database, and I'm not going to do that right now. I'll do a separate video on how to back up your database. It's pretty simple. Most services do it on their end. They'll either do it for free or you pay an extra charge. They'll back up your database, but I'll show you actually how to do that. Actually, I'll do a video on that after this. So really simply, you see this right here? It just says updates. Once you go into your panel, your WordPress panel, you just simply hit the updates. And then you just wait about, I don't know, 3 or 4 hours until the next page comes. Oh, okay, maybe not. So these are all the plugins that need updates for them. And it's important to update your plugins to the very fact that it protects you against various new bugs, viruses, stuff like that people will try to attack. So it's not up. So they'll update the plugin in order to go attack those new annoyances that try to get into your program, to your WordPress content management system. So it's just simple. I just click all this. Again, you want to back up before you actually do this. So you just hit select all, hit update plugins. Just hang out a second, have a sip of coffee, show off your stylish hat. All right, so here they are. They're all updated. Now, if you want to auto-update your plugins, which I probably should do, I mean, it doesn't hurt anything. Just go to installed plugins. You should be able to auto-update the plugins. Actually, look at that. WordPress 5.6 is not installed. That's why I can't auto-update, because I think that's in a new version of WordPress. So I'm going to please update WordPress now to 5.6. And you'll see it... You'll see it in various places, but it's just simple right there. You can update to WordPress 5.6, so we're going to do that right now. Again, always back up your database, which I'm going to show you how to do. Anyways, here we go. Beautiful. Okay, and then when you just can read through what all the things that have been updated. And let's go to plugins, install plugins. Now in this version, it should have what I'm looking for, and there it is right here. So they now have enable auto updates, so you don't have to keep keeping tabs on everything. I'll update this. So you can just auto update. I'll do it eventually, I suppose. It's probably a good idea just for security reasons on all plugins. I'll just update this automatically. And I'll just let that do its thing till it's green. There, it's all green and pretty. All right, guys and girls. I hope that helped somebody out there. I assume that everyone knew how to do that, but certainly if you have any questions, hit me up in the comments. And if you could just subscribe, share, like, I would appreciate it. You help the channel, and I appreciate y'all. So I'll catch you next time. All right, take care.